Bye-bye. Have a restaurant here in the front of the church.
Yes, I would say.
And then yung mga bird.
It's actually a museum. Monsignor who worked in the diocese and he built all the old churches.
Yeah. Hey, the beach there.
Yeah. We're going to go down there. Have a little look. Yeah.
Up. Slowly.
Have a look. Adorable,
That is made.
We might go this way. This way. Snails. Do you want to go for a little walk?
Yeah.
I thought you'd say that. This girl that was in a hurry a minute ago. I thought you'd say that. There's one spot there, look at that.
Yeah, I need to go to the toilet. Guys, nandito tayo sa beach. Ang laki ng barko po dito, oh. Ito po yung view dito. Kita ko muna sa inyo. Yan. Ito po ang ganda ng ano. Tingnan niyo yung mga tao nagpabilad sa araw. Yung view dito. Yung dagat is blue na blue. Tapos may ano dito, guys. Toilet nila. Ang cute. Ang view nila. Pier pala to dito, oh. Pier. Ang ganda ng dagat. Ang linaw. Ay, white sand din pala dito, oh. Ang ganda. White sand. Tapos ang lalaki ng bato. Ang laki ng mga bato dito, guys, oh. Ang Katchiki. Ano pala to dito, oh, may mga ferry. Mga cargo to. Sabihan natin. Okay. It's a small boat. Yeah. So beautiful. White sand. The stone here. The water is very, very clean. Ay, palid yung aking sombrero. Malapit lang po yan, no? Hindi yan ganong kalayuan. Ayan. Ganyan lang siya. Ayan, may boat din doon, oh. Ang ganda ng ano, ang daming ferry. May small boat there. Ang ganda ng tubig, ang dagat, ang linaw. Yan. White sand. The white sand there. So, nandito po tayo sa Baselton City. Good afternoon sa lahat. Magandang gabi, magandang umaga. Good afternoon dito sa Baselton. Ang ganda-ganda ng ano po dito, no? View. Tingnan natin. Ay, paliitan pala natin to. Saglit lang. Ay. Nandito po tayo. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. Don't forget and share. Dito po tayo sa ang ganda ng mga ang ganda ng view. Guys, sa totoo lang iniwan na ako ni Andrew. Pero bahala na siya basta ako yung nakapunta dito. Diba? Wala na, basta nakapunta ako dito, guys. Ang ganda, oh. Kita ko sa inyong ano, white sand. Oh, diba? White sand. Ano, ha? Napakaganda. Ang mga bulaklak kahit nandito sa tabi ng dagat, tumutubo. Wala na si Andrew. Iniwan na ako. May palutang-lutang sila doon ng ano, hindi ko alam kung ano yan. So, nandito po tayo. Punta na tayo, guys, sa sakyanan kasi iniwanan na po tayo. Iniwanan na po niya ako. Saan na kaya yun? Magbiyahe pa kami ng 5 hours and 45 minutes, guys. Uwi na kami ng Perth, Nordam. So, magbibiyahe na po kami ngayon. Pero wag po kayo mag-alala sa 5 hours and 40 minutes kasi palitan naman kami. Salitan kami mag-drive ni Andrew. So, may tubig pa sila doon, oh. Puntahan natin, guys. Bahala na, mamasyal talaga ako. Tapos balik tayo. Tingnan nyo yung ano, tubig. Ay, may bata yata doon. Ay, may bata doon, guys. Hindi pwede. Dito na tayo, balik tayo. May birdie, oh. Big birdie. Katulad yung nakita ko doon sa likod ng simbahan. Ito malaki na birdie. Yun naman maliliit. Asa na si Andrew, guys? Nawala na. Ayan ang mga birdie, oh. Iniwan na ako. Saan na kaya yun? Iniwan na ako, guys. Saan na yun? Dito kaya yan sa likod. Dito ako dadaan. Bahala na siya. Basta saan na yung sakyanan namin? Nawala. Dito yata yung sakyanan namin nakaparada. Nakaparada yung aming sakyanan dito. Maganda ng view nila. Ano ba yung tumutunog-tunog? Dito tayo. Ang ganda ng ano. May tumutunog-tunog talaga. Ang ganda ng view at saka yung weather. Dito tayo. Ganda pa ng bulaklak, oh. Kahit saan-saan na ano, bulaklak. saan tumutubo ba? Saan na saan? Bulaklak. Kahit saan lang tumutubo. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda oh. L'Italiano. So, dito tayo guys. Ikot lang tayo. Ito yung ano, view. Coffee. May ano sila sa coffeehan. May coffeehan yan sa loob. Kaya may pangalan coffee. Pag nauhaw kayo, o inaantok, yan, mag-coffee lang kayo. Ay sus, nandito lang pala oh. Nauna na siya.
This was nothing like any of this. It was all pretty rough. Not the nicest place to come.
Yeah.
Compared to what they had, but gosh, now been decorated up and made all look fantastic. Couldn't ask for better.
Okay. Oh, here also. Nice
Up
view.
here on the left
Yeah.
is the TAFE College,
Ah.
Tertiary Australian, whatever it is, and it's like, for example, Giselka could have come here and done her TAFE course in chef cooking, and being here in Gerald, the gym has been set up for a future, but I mean, she's still good, she might do, but the idea is so having easy to get around and your car and everything, and also you got, you know, Rosie and Jason and that just out of town. It's, you got a good support base, you know. Here it is here. And this is where Kieran's girlfriend is coming
She's here?
studying nursing here too.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Come a long way. I did my certificate there. On top of all my other studies I've done.
And you are get certificate here.
Yeah, it took us about 18 months, 15 months I got it done, but it actually was just like a 2.5 year course, but I've done a lot of practical stuff, correspondence studies over while I was farming, so I got through a bit quicker.
So you mean you stay here before?
Where the hell am I? I'm going this way. I think I've gone the wrong way. Yeah, well, when Chris was on her last year of life, we moved here to be in a house while she was getting, you know, I mean, she was going to die, you know, so I had to.
Ah, you live here before with
Yeah.
Chris.
Yeah, for 12 months or so, yeah. So you could go straight on.
So overlooking.
Yeah, so. Yeah, well, so east of Dongra, we were farming from 1982 to 1995, and then another 15 months, 18 months, I moved up here and brought Chris, you know, we were living up on that Tarracoola up there.
Okay.
And so, we got married and moved here. Been here ever since. It's really like home for her.
So before you live here with your wife, so mom dad is living there in Perth, Baselton. Ah, you're there in the Baselton.
Yeah, well, in 1982, Rex and Lynn and myself and Chris, the farms at Quirting were sold, and we bought farms up here east of Dongra. Right.
Going to
And-
Dongra.
And we moved up here, and Mum and Dad, of course, were starting school as well. So, like, we rented and moved up here, and I got work as well.
guys, uwi na kami. Travel again back to Nordam by Geraldton. We not know when we come back here. Ganda pa ng fine tree. The fine tree here is like Christmas tree.
Yeah, these ones are
That
called
is very nice.
Norfolk pine trees now. They're a little bit different.
Mga bahay nila dito guys. Oh,
They grow very well
tapat-tapat.
here.
Parang nasa Pilipinas din. Yes. Yung bahay nila. Subdivision, like the subdivision here. That the house.
Yeah, that's like a little hotel, motel.
Ah, motel, yeah.
So we're about 10 units. That one there.
Yeah. Look at that. In the top. Andun sa taas ang mga bahay nila guys. So, napakanindot. Nindot kaayo. Because that is there in the top. The house there in the
Yeah.
top that is overlooking
Yeah.
there in the beach.
Yeah.
Ayan. Ang ganda na. Ayan ang dagat din dyan. Hindi na natin makita kasi ano na, nasa likod ng mga kahoy. Ang mga bahay dito. Big house here. Ayan, ang dagat dito guys. Napakalaki. Ayan oh, yung bahay nila oh. Nasa tok-tok. Nasa ibabaw. Yan, likod ng mga bahay na to ay dagat. Ayan, dagat na po yan oh. Okay. Ayan na, dagat yan sila. Dagat na sila. Overlooking. Kitang-kita niya ang dagat pag nasa kayo sa taas. Yun, dagat na. That is very clean. Clean and green. Blue-green.
Yeah, clean green.
Blue-green ang dagat guys. Thank you for watching our channel and God bless you all. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you very much for watching. Ayun guys, so may white sun sila dito. Ano daw yun to dahil sa hangin. Dinadala ng hangin and wave. That is wave before like that or wind.
The wind is
Wind,
causing it,
dala ng
If you were to
hangin,
go up and over,
Yeah.
especially down Dongra and further down on the coast, you can go up in these jeeps and buggies and driving over all these sand
that's
like you're in a sandy desert,
Ah,
just like being in a sandy
that's
desert.
why like that they have a sun.
Yep.
Nag-ipon-ipon yung
Just the wind.
balas dahil sa wind. Galing nila no. Galing.